I'm from KSB Cambodia, and today I want to share why regular maintenance matters and how KSB SupremeServ support our customer on site.
Just like a car needs regular checkups, pumps also need regular maintenance. Without it, small issues can grow into breakdowns or downtime. Regular maintenance prevents problems and keeps systems running smoothly. That's where our SupremeServ technicians come in. Here, our technician inspects the pump, cleans the parts, and restores its performance, preventing a potential breakdown before it happens.
That's why regular maintenance matters. With KSB SupremeServ, we help keep your system running smoothly today and into the future.